Hi guys, Retro Django here. How are you all doing? Today we're gonna take a look at this new Amiga 1200 case. It's new for me. It got released for about 4 years ago. I had the opportunity to check it out for the first time yesterday. The first time I see it, touch it, and enjoy it. But before we look at this new, let's just call it the new case, okay? For the Amiga 1200, let's take a look at the old one. Now, I love the Amiga 1200. It's absolutely my favorite computer, my retro system, my everyday use Amiga, built-in IDE, so easy to upgrade. I love this Pcmca at the side to get new stuff in, and all in all, everything built in a case at the size of a normal keyboard from the big box Amigas, and you have everything built in, no noisy fan, nothing. I love everything about the Amiga 1200. Okay, but including the original molded case here. But I have some issues with it. The first is they get yellowed over time, yellow or brownish. So some people, they put different chemicals on it and retrobrite them. I have never done that. I would never do something like that because it makes the plastic more brittle. One of the early Amiga 1200s I bought was from eBay, and it was just bright white, just like my table's color here. And he shipped it to me from Germany, and he actually packed it pretty well because but the vibrations and the brittle case just made it crushed in 1,000 pieces, man. So I never do that, and I would never recommend you to do that. But your Amiga, your hardware, you can do whatever you want to do, of course. What I tend to do, this one is yellowed. What I would do is I would wash it really nice. I would wash it all I can, and then dry it out, everything just clean, and then put it out in the sun. No chemicals, nothing. Just put the top side out on the sun on a sunny day. I mean, give it 3 days and you will see a difference. Of course, a sunny day, right? So that's the first thing. The second thing. Well, my Amigas, I put the top cover on, but most of the times they're opened. And I never screw the screws in because, as you can see, metal screws screwed into plastic. Now this one is in nice condition, but I have bought some of these Amigas where the previous owners has just screwed so hard so they destroyed this holder here. Also used wrong size screws and screwed all the way up, or yeah, destroys that. That's the second thing. The third thing, well, at the start I said I love the Amiga 1200, I still do, but I just have some issues with the case here. The third thing is, when I buy one of these or the Amiga 600s, we have these 3 holders at the front here, and one here and one here. That means everything at the back is held by these clips. At the beginning, when I bought these Amigas, I didn't know about that. So they are brittle, they are so easy to break, and most of the Amigas that I bought, Amiga 600s and 1200, actually most of the Amiga 600s, they were broken off. So when you screw this in, then it will gap at the back side, and oh man, that's just bummer. Other than that, I love everything else about the Amiga 1200. So let's take a closer look at this beautiful new case. It comes in this beautiful box, Amiga 1200, made in China, and it says black. Beautiful stuff. So The case looks like this. First, the texture of the case is, this is a little more glossy, but it has about the same texture as the old ones. Really like that. That's the first thing. The next thing, to be able to look at that, we have to open up this beautiful case, and this one is nothing is screwed either, so it's just easy to open. So let's just go ahead and flip this one to the side. Easy now, easy now. There we go. All right. So when we take a look at this system here, let's start by checking out the backside. As you can see, they don't have this clip system. It's different on this version. That's the first thing. The next thing is, if we just move the camera just a bit, guys, because of all the cable attachment over there. As you can see over here, it has got metal holders at the top, at the bottom. It's made so, it's constructed, as you can see here, down here and here. So metal screws on metal or brass, or I don't know what it is, but I love that they have been thinking about the issues and just perfected them in this build. What a great solution. I love everything about it. So here they removed the issue that I had with the old cases. Bravo, man. And they have screws at the back side instead of the clips. Bravo, man. Great stuff. We can get these in about 10 or 12 colors. I just made a small research. They cost only 100 euros, man. It's so cheap. And at this moment I could get, there were purple and amazing colors. The only colors that I could get was actually black, white and transparent. So yeah, I don't know if they will build more of them. I surely do hope so. Also, for this Amiga, a black keyboard is on the way. That's just a must. Other than that, look at here. It has got this engraving, so you can cut this and put a display for your Go Check or whatever you want to use, guys. Put it up here. I would never do something like that, but yeah, you have the opportunity to cut this and put an OLED display in there. As you can see, also new LED display, LED light up there, indicators. So great stuff, man. One more thing I want to show you. Let's continue this review about this really awesome case, man. To the left, we have got the Pcmca socket slot. As I can see, they have made it a bit higher, so it has, the possibility to put in a compact flash card adapter or the SD card or whatever you want to do. So you have more room here to the left. Great. Over here, again, should I call this future improvement or whatever, but they have made it ready for USB sockets or other stuff. But yeah, it is possible to do it that way. Again, great upgrade. But one of the best things is actually these Amiga 1200s. I mean, having one of them without an accelerator card is, yeah, I would just recommend you to buy an accelerator card, guys. And these cards, they tend to get a bit hot. And as you can see down here, they have these ventilation holes all the way also under this accelerator card. So you have ventilation holes to, get in some cool air inside and cool things down. It's just so well thought of. My Amiga 1200s, the top RF shield is always removed. I don't use it. I remove it, more air circulation, more cooling, like that. But the shield at the bottom side, I always leave it. This build is a newly built Amiga 1200 card, so no shield was available, but you can actually, I don't want to advertise, but you can go in and buy these back plates. Nothing at the bottom of the motherboard, but you have this metal bracket at the back side. You can just, and they're cheap, buy it and put it at the back side, so you don't need parts from old Amiga 1200s. What a nice solution. I mean, this case, the verdict is just 10 out of 10. I love everything about it. Nothing bad to say. As of right now, 2021, I wish I could get one in purple. Could be nice. But I'm thinking about a white or transparent one. I don't know. White, because Amiga for me is, white with white keyboard. If I buy the transparent, then I will build a 80s disco one with a lot of LEDs. I'm not sure which one to choose, but yeah, this is my thought, my small review about the new Amiga 1200 cases. Go ahead and support the man. This is just, thank you for doing this. Thank you for building these for us in 2021. It's great stuff. Thank you for watching, guys. I wish you all a great day out there. Bye.